What's going on, guys? So today I just realized that this piece is here broken. This is 2021 Toyota Tacoma, third generation, and this is what makes this tailgate dampening. But as you can see, it just drops it. So as I let it go, so it's no longer working. So after doing a little bit of research online, I realized that this is the piece that actually replaces it. It's the part number here, 66143-04021, and this small tiny plastic piece is what makes this whole tailgate nut to drop or like slam on you when you open it. So I'm going to be replacing it here in a second. So for that, I'm going to have to lift this up halfway and pull it out, pull the tailgate out. Pull it out as such. There you go. It's better if you do it with two hands. So here are the broken pieces. As you can see, it's all crumbled. This is all plastic. It's unbelievable how it's actually a plastic piece that's being used to hold this heavy tailgate. Well, let's open up the new part. Here's the new part. This is how it should look when it's brand new. Now let's put it on. So when you put it on, you go like this. You basically just insert it because the shape of it is actually made for easy insertion. So when you replace this, like I said, you just lift it up a little bit, you pull it out, and then take out the broken pieces and just snap it in. Basically, the shape of it is actually like a C shape or like U shape, if you will. You just insert it, and as long as this pin here goes through this C shaped or U shaped a tailgate piece, it basically, you know, at that point it's basically installed, and all you have to do is just install the tailgate back in. And rule of thumb, I wouldn't take these cables out whenever you're trying to pull out the tailgate, because if you do, and then if this side comes out, which is just basically the round, you know, circle that's kind of inserted inside this, there's like a place in there that kind of goes in, and it can easily come out basically. So if you let these cables off, the tailgate may fall off, and it's a relatively heavy tailgate, so you probably want to keep the cables on, and then when you pull it out, just don't pull it all the way out. As long as you have enough room space to actually insert this piece, you should be good. And then once you insert it, you just kind of at close to 40 degree angle, you just kind of insert the tailgate back in, and then just let it go, and that's it, and it works. This is the video, guys. So I hope you guys find this to be helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to catch you guys in future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.